The quest for unity will shatter all illusions. There is a reason you keep coming across this message. It is a response to a vibrationary sequence you have initiated. You are saying, you've had enough of theories and assumptions. Now, you want to experience truth for yourself. It is a bold and courageous step, but a very necessary one if you're to become aware. The greatest deception is to focus your attention on the past and future, because you neither live in either. You live and can only live in the present, but somehow it has become very difficult to accept now. This moment, this is when you are alive. A human being. What is this? For real, you are human, but you are being. The human part of you is very temporary. It erupts, shines, and wanes. It does not matter what you do or don't do. Its nature is, it wasn't, it is, and it won't be. But the being that you are, the one that occupies this human frame, is very different. Your problems began the day you began to see your body as you. Your fear emanated from your not knowing the difference. So now, the body represents all your aspirations, and you're in for a whole lot of unpleasant experiences. But truth goes on doing its thing, and always will. It is the eternal awareness, ever expanding in luminosity. Your outer is only an emanation of the inner, which makes up the whole. Perceived fragmentation is what causes distress. Knowing yourself makes your life harmonious. The quest for unity is what brings bliss. For the noblest pursuit is the quest for unity.